there's a special method that we can use, which is app.all. What that means? It means for whatever method you are using, use this function that we are going to create right here. So if we are going to invoke like before, the HTTP method get for this root / we are going to invoke even this function that we are going to create right now. Here we have request, response, next. If we say something like console.log, generic endpoint contacted, and then we use next, great. Now if we stop the server, we start the server again. Now if you are going to try, for example, to delete, okay, here you have delete method, great, but if you look inside your console, you have generic endpoint contacted. What that means? It means that before going inside the delete, we invoke this app.all / endpoint. Remember to use the next function, otherwise if you delete this next function, the server will just use this console.log generic endpoint contacted. So I'm going to leave this, I'm going to save, I'm going to stop and restart the server started. If we invoke delete localhost 3000, if we click send again, it doesn't do anything. Why? Because your request is stuck right here, generic endpoint contacted, and then it will not pass your call to the endpoint delete. It will stop here. So if we check Postman, is here pending. So let's cancel this request, go back here and use next, save, restart your server, and you're ready to go. You can use delete, and you have delete method, you can use post, and you have the post method.